Covering your ears with the flushing of toilets or the sound of hand dryers, that is avoidant auditorily. Have you ever had your kiddo be scared to go to the bathroom on a plane because of the toilet when you flush it? I'm not kidding you. I used to be afraid of that. That doesn't mean that they have any really big issues going on. It just simply means that sensory wise and auditorially wise, they are somewhat more avoidant to certain sounds. And so what we're going to do is support them rather than shame that behavior. And awareness is hands down the first step.